Hello all, welcome to session 15 of C#.NET training series. In this session, I'm going to explain that C# is a case-sensitive programming language. Let's get started. So C# is a case-sensitive programming language. Let me practically demonstrate this for you with different examples. I'm going to take all these examples for you, okay? So here in the Visual Studio, there is some sample code which is already there. As you can see, guys, there is a predefined keyword in C# known as namespace, right? There is a namespace keyword. So it should be in lowercase, okay? According to the C#, this predefined namespace keyword should be in lowercase. What if I try to change that into uppercase, okay? If I change at least one letter, okay? At least one letter if I change into uppercase like this. In place of the small case n, if I'm giving capital N, you see, immediately I'm getting error because C# cannot recognize what is this namespace now, okay? So the things that are in lowercase should be in lowercase. Okay, according to the C#, the predefined things should follow the case. If according to the C#, this particular keyword should be in lowercase, it should be in lowercase completely. Similar to that, guys, similar to the namespace, we have the class example also. You see here, all the letters in this predefined keyword known as class of the C# are all in lowercase. If I change any of this letter of this keyword to uppercase, immediately I'll get an error. You see, it is not recognized. Again, I need to change it to lowercase to resolve the errors, right? So that's one thing. And here also, if you talk about this public static void, okay, there are three keywords here. All these three predefined keywords should be in lowercase according to the C#. What if I change it to capital P? Error is coming. Again, if I change it to lowercase, again it's going off. Capital S, again the error is coming. Okay, lowercase, the error is going on. Capital V, okay, so it's giving the error. Now lowercase v, the errors are gone. So these are few examples: namespaces, classes, and public static void. Public static void I gave. Coming to the main, guys, main is a different approach here. So here you see in the main, the first letter is in capital letter. Okay, main is also predefined. Okay, it's a one of the method which is recognized by C#, guys. Okay, main is a method which is recognized by C#. Okay, C# knows this method, and here the first letter is in capital M. Okay, so it's fine. If I run the code, this code will work because according to the C# rules and regulations, name of the method, if it is main and the first letter is capital M, it will run the code. You see, if I run the code will be running, and my name, that is Arun Motri, will be printed in the output console. You see, after the code runs, you will see my name printed in the output console. Let's wait for the program to build. It will take some time. As you can see, we got the output here. Okay, whatever the text that is there here, that got printed in the output here. Okay, fine. So it's working fine. But what if I change this capital M to lowercase m? But there is no error coming. But still, if I run this code, you will get build errors. You see, at the runtime, you are getting the errors here. Okay, when you run the code, you are getting the errors here. You cannot write lowercase m. Okay, there are some build errors. If you say no, you'll get the error details here. The program does not contain the main method. Okay, here main method should be there, which is not there. Just by changing the upper letter to lowercase letter, the error is coming. Okay, so according to the C# programming language is case sensitive. It follows the case very seriously. If you change something in lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase, it will not work. Okay, if something has to be in uppercase, it has to be in uppercase. If something has to be in lowercase, according to C#, it has to be in lowercase. Okay, so a few other examples here are console, guys. You see in console, C is in uppercase, but if I change it to lowercase, error is coming. Okay, change it back to the uppercase, it will work fine. Even write line also. Okay, write line is following. You see here multiple words are there in this write line, and each and every word in this write line method. Okay, so capital W is there, capital L is there, right? This is the upper camel case. You can call this as an upper camel case. Okay, write line, read line. You see, if you observe this write line or read line, which are predefined stuff in C# anyhow, predefined methods in C#. You see here in the write line, first letter is capital and second word letter is also first letter in the second word is also capital. In the read line also, if you observe, first word in the first letter in the first word is capital, that is R is capital, and in the second word of this method also, method name also, the first letter is in capital, L is in capital. So what if I make it to lowercase w? Immediately you are getting an error. Again, if you change it back, the error is gone. Okay, same thing applies for the read line also. So according to the C#, okay, C# is a case sensitive programming language. So the things that the predefined things which have to be in lowercase should be in lowercase according to C#, and the things that is the predefined things which are in uppercase should be in uppercase according to the C#. Okay, So hope guys you understood what is how C Sharp is a case sensitive programming language in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.